We're here to talk about behavior because there's a big gap between what we know we should do and what we actually do. How many of you have eaten more than you should this month? Exercised less? Texted while driving? Didn't wash your hands after using the bathroom? Exactly. We all know better. But knowing doesn't mean doing. For decades, we've assumed that the key to changing behavior is information. Tell people texting and driving is dangerous. They'll stop. Teach financial literacy. People will save better. Except they don't. Studies show that after all the seminars and workshops, the improvement in financial behavior is about 0.1%. Not zero, but close. So if information doesn't change us, what does? Social science gives us a clue. Don't change people, change the environment. Think of behavior like launching a rocket. Two things matter: friction and fuel. Reduce friction, make the desired action easier, and add fuel, motivation that propels people forward. Think friction. An online pharmacy wanted customers to switch from brand name drugs to generics. They sent letters, but almost no one switched. Turns out, doing nothing was easier. The branded drug refilled automatically. Switching required effort. When they redesigned the process so no action meant no refill, everyone switched. People didn't prefer branded medicine. They just hated returning mail. That's friction. Now fuel. In Kenya, researchers tried to help families save tiny amounts each week. They tested different nudges, reminders, interest bonuses, even text messages from their children. The message from the kids worked, as well as big cash incentives. But the biggest effect came from a simple coin, a physical token with 24 numbers. Each week, families scratched a mark if they saved. That tiny ritual doubled savings rates. Why? Because it made saving visible. It turned an invisible act into something tangible, a story you could tell, a progress you could see.
So if we want people to behave better, eat better, save more, drive safe, we need less preaching and more design. We reduce friction. We add fuel. We make the invisible visible. Will that close the gap between who we are and who we could be? Not completely, but it'll get us a lot closer, one smart, small change at a time.